Hi children, today we are discussing about modes of transport. Modes of transport in EVS subject. Okay, children, we know that why we are using the traveling. So we are all traveling from one place to another place. That is called as transportation, or transport means to move from one place to another place. It may be a people or it may be a goods. Goods means what? It may be food or some things we carry with the people. That goods are carried with the people that transfer from one place to another place. That is called as transportation. From your page number 115, here is a poem that is Picnic, Picnic by Bus. Along with my friends, variety of vehicles moving on the road. When you are going to picnic, we see a variety of vehicles on the road. The vehicles are bus, car, a lorry, scooters, bicycles, train, etc. Horse cart and bullock cart, cycle and motorbike, auto rickshaw and car. So many vehicles on the road. So usually in the earlier days, the animals also use it for the transportation. Okay, so like that, horse cart and bullock cart also we see on the road. Train on the rail, boat on the water, aeroplane in the air, flying in the sky. Train on the railway track. Trains are traveling on the railway track, and on the water, boats, ships, aeroplane in the air, flying in the sky. Okay, and some are moving slow, some are moving fast. Different modes of transport. I like them very much. Some are travel or moving slow. Which are moving slow? The animals transportation, what we call as horse cart, bullock cart, they will move slow, whereas aeroplane, train, they will move very fast. So let us discuss about the transportation. So there are three types of transportation. Is there land transport, water transport, and third one is air transport. Children, we know that the land transportation, the vehicles are moving on the road. So when you are traveling on a bus or you are coming to this school, so we see a number of vehicles on the road. So name the vehicle, children. Car, bus, or your school bus, your bicycle, scooter, train, lorry, etc. So these are the examples for what? Land transport. Let us discuss about the water transportation. Children, you are all seeing the boat now. So it may be in TV or you travel from, it may be Lumini Garden, like that we are traveling on the boat. So example for water transport is boat, ship. When compared to both the boat and ship, the boat is very small but ship is very large, because it carries some goods from one place to another place, and also it carries people from one place to another place. Okay children, for a long distance. This boat is usually used for the small distance. Okay, that is called as water transportation. The vehicles which are moved on the water, so that vehicles are called as what? Water transport. So next one is air transport. We know that usually the vehicles are move on in the sky, so that vehicles are called as what? Air transport. Example for air transport is aeroplane, helicopter. Example for air transport is aeroplane and helicopter. This air transport is very costlier than when compared to these land transport and water transport. Here both this water and land is the cheapest means of transport. Here this one is the very costly means of transport. Air transportation is called as costliest means of transport. Okay, there are three types of modes of transportation is there. Land transport, example, car, bus, bicycle, scooter, train. Water transport, boat, ship. And also one more is there, that is submarine. Submarine is used to see the under the sea. Okay, it may be the animals or whatever, the aquatic animals. For that purpose, the submarine is used. And then the air transport, aeroplane, helicopter. Okay, children. So this is about of the three modes of transportation. So while you are going a bus station, you know bus station, children. So we have seen two or three types of counters. The first counter name is called as ticket counter. So in that place we have to take the ticket to travel from one place to another place. If we are traveling Bangalore to Tumkuru, for that we have to take the ticket from the ticket counter. We have to give the money, and that ticket person, that ticket given person, they will give the tickets to us, and we have to travel in the bus. And while boarding the bus, we have to maintain a queue, okay, and then follow the queue and follow the rules in the bus station. Okay, children. So you have to write the journey with the bus and name the some places you are traveling by using the bus, and write the tickets and the ticket cost, okay, in your rough book. While we are going to a railway station, we see now which places, some of the we see railway track and some of the counter. Here we have to get the ticket from the ticket counter, and nowadays we are all booking the online tickets. Is it right? So while we are traveling, we are already booking the pre-bookings, the pre-ticket bookings, okay, through online. In the railway station, so we have to write you have to stick this railway station picture in your rough book and write the places you are seeing in that one. So usually we are seeing the number of vehicles while we are moving on the villages, or it may be other places, and some of the means of transportation by using the animals. So these are the land transport, water transport and air transportation. In the earlier days, the invention of wheel, after the invention of wheel, who invented wheel? So the early man invented the wheel, and then he used the animals to, it is also a means of transportation. Animals as a means of transport, okay. After the wheel was invented by the early man, the people made carts. Which one? Carts drawn by the animals, which is drawn by the animals. For example, bullock cart. Yes. Bullock cart. Bullock cart usually it will be drawn by which animal? Ox. So it is an animal used to move this bullock cart. Ettin gaadi anta heltivala, adu bullock cart. And then horse cart. The animal name is called as horse. Tanga anta heltivala, tanga adana horse cart anta heltare. So usually we see in cities also. In Mysuru we can see this horse cart, bullock cart in the villages we can see this bullock cart, and then camel. Camel also use it as a means of transport. Camel, cart, usually the camel is used in the desert areas. Why this camel is used in the desert areas? Because this camel body is adjusted to the desert, that is sand. Okay, so that's why the camel is called as what? Ship of desert. The camel is known as ship of desert. Okay, this camel is known as ship of desert. Why the camel is known as ship of desert? Because it is adjusted to the desert place, and from one place it carries people and also goods from one desert to another place. Okay children, so that's why the camel is known as ship of desert. It holds the water in the form of fat on the hump and travel for a long distance. Okay children, so that's why the body structure is adapted to the desert. Okay, so that's why it is called as the ship of desert. Right, more examples. So elephant also used to carry logs, and also the donkey is also used for carry the goods on their back. Okay, so like that the animals also use it for the means of transport. When compared to the other water means of transportation, including nowadays we are using a water scooter. You know that on the beach we ride a water scooter on the water, and speed boat, motor boat also nowadays used because of the scientific techniques used in the boats. We know the hot air balloon children. So a hot air balloon is also one of the example for what? Air transport. This is about of the means of transport. We travel for the different reasons. Why we are travel? So we are travel to reach some places, we see some places and carry the goods from one place to another places. We use different means of transport to travel and carry our goods from one place to another place. Water transport is one of the oldest and cheapest means of transport. Which transport? Water transport is the oldest transport and also very cheapest means of transport. Air transport is the fastest. So some of the people are using this transport to save the time. Okay, that's why it is also the air transport is the fastest and most expensive modes of transport. Expensive means very costly. Okay, and then animals such as camel, horse, bullock are also used for the means of transport, including donkey, elephant also including in this animal means of transport. Okay children, this is about of means of transport. Here are some hard words. Vehicles, V-E-H-I-C-L-E-S, vehicles. Motorbike, M-O-T-O-R, motor, B-I-K-E, bike. Auto rickshaw, what we call as auto rickshaw, full name is auto rickshaw, A-U-T-O-R-I-C-K-S-H-A-W, auto rickshaw. A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E, aeroplane. T-R-A-N-S-P-O-R-T, transport. S-T-A-T-I-O-N, station. G-O-O-D-S, goods. Bullock cart, B-U-L-L-O-C-K, bullock. C-A-R-T, cart. D-E-S-E-R-T, desert. D-I-S-T-A-N-C-E, distance. In this class we learned 3 means of transport. Land transport, water transport, air transportation. Collect the land transportation pictures. At least you have to collect 5 land transport pictures and 3 means of water transportation and then 3 air transportation, and stick on a A4 sheet, or it may be in your rough or homework. Okay children, and also you have to collect some animal means of transport. Write the heading, animal means of transport, write the names. This camel, you have to camel cart, write down and paste the camel picture. Here bullock cart, paste the bullock cart picture, and horse cart, paste the horse cart picture. Okay children, thank you.